Back again, what really helped me was drinking lots of water and fluids to stay hydrated. Like this one, I have tumbler in my side every day to make my body stay hydrated. It's 900 ml. Nakakaubos ako neto guys. 2 beses sa isang araw. So, maganda yung lagi na inom kayo. Taking lukewarm or oatmeal baths to calm the itchiness. Siguro, hindi ko pa natatry yung oatmeal baths, pero I try yung lukewarm. It really helps me kasi, alam mo yun, hindi super lamig, yung sakto lang, tsaka hindi naman kumakate yung mga chicken pox ko pag naliligo ako ng lukewarm. So, yan, lagi kayo maligo ng lukewarm. Wag malamig ha, kasi the more na super lamig, the more na kumate yung mga chicken pox. Applying lotion or soothing cream on the rashes. I never do that, yung applying lotion or cream or something. Kasi, feeling ko kasi mag-irritate yung mga chicken pox, you know. So, that's not advisable. Pero, siguro, Aveeno lotion after mag-heal lahat. So, and then, eating light, healthy food, nothing oily or spicy. Wala namang bawal na kainin pag may chicken pox. Pero, kasi mayroon tayo dito sa loob ng mouth natin, magkakaroon tayo ng ng chicken pox din. I don't know, pero para kang may singaw, ganon yung feeling. Tapos, every time na kumakain ka ng maasim, na salty, ganyan lahat, nag-trigger siya. So, iwas na lang din para hindi na mag-trigger yung pangangate or hapde sa mouth natin. Tsaka sa throat, sa throat natin, ano tawag dito? Yung sa throat, mahirap ka kumain, pero kaya yun, mga dry foods, I mean, yung mga healthy food yung kainin mo. Kasi ngayon, ako, ang kinakain ko the whole day and the whole week na pag-stay is puro gulay. So, ayun din, importante din yung, mayroon ka ding rest. So, yan, that's the one important. Tama ba? Basta yan yung importante, magpahinga ka din paminsan-minsan. Pero grabe, sobra na yung pahinga ko. Charis! So, even if you feel bored or stuck, resting really makes a big difference in recovery.